Hi guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of Module 6 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be talking about how to add Mullions to the curtain grids. First, we'll go to architecture, lecture, then select the curtain grid option. And only the first one. So to add the curtain grid first, curtain grid also. Change the dimension. So the curtain grids are set. Now I'll add. We'll get the option right under the curtain on that. Then we have the options to add, and we have different types of mullions available. So we'll be going with the rectangle mullion. We'll be going with all the commands. First, we'll go with the grid line. We have selected the rectangle mullion, and we select the grid line here. So you can see that the mullion is added here. So this is the grid line option. Next, I'll be showing the grid line segment. That's on that, and we can select each and every segment here. Wherever we want, we can add those. So this is the line segment, and then the all grids. All grids is simply to add all the grid lines to the whole grid system. So this is how you add mullion. And then if you want to change the property, if you want to select the mullion separately, it's very difficult to select it. So you need to click on tab and then select the mullion. If you click on tab and then select, you will get the mullions separate. That's how you can select, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it also. That's how select and delete each and every element.